York for a day. The sounds of the city. Sure glad we live in West Palm Beach. I don't have to wake up to that every day.